Hi, if there was one thing, if a parent asks me, वो एक कौन सी चीज़ है जिसके ऊपर अगर फोकस कर लिया जाए तो सब कुछ वापस आ सकता है और सब कुछ क्रिएट हो सकता है. You know that one thing is trust. Hi, my name is Sushant and I'm the founder director of Parvarish Institute of Parenting. And Parvarish has been working with parents, teachers and other caregivers for over 16 years now. And we have worked with more than 300,000 parents across the globe. And as I said before, if anyone asks me that what is that one thing which I would say, do it, kar lo, and that is the foundation of anything a parent and a child will do for their life, is trust. 100% blind trust between a parent and a child. And mind you, if I ask any parent, do you trust your child? The immediate answer is going to be yes. So my friends, this conversation, ये जो मैं बात करने वाला हूँ ना, this is not for every parent. This is going to go deep. This is going to take you to certain questions which will be very confronting, which will be very reflective, but it will offer the world of parenting to you. Like your child and you being in a dream relationship. That whatever you want from each other, what you want for each other, actually happening between each other. So if, as I said, if you are a person who said, okay fine, अब बच्चे हो गए हैं, so my job is to raise them, my job is to make sure I'll provide for them the best school, give them the resources, there'll be certain things which will work within us, there'll be certain things which will not work within us, मज़े होंगे, मस्ती होगी, रोना धोना होगा, कुछ चीज़ों पे झगड़ा होगा. And as they turn into a teenager, they will start to drift. They will share some stuff. They will not share some stuff. हम भी नहीं करते थे, सारे teenagers नहीं करते हैं. Teenagers expect भी नहीं करना चाहिए. वो सारा कुछ कैसे बताएंगे, हम भी कैसे बताएंगे. And then they go on to get into their career and they will move out of your place and then slowly drift away and yet be in your life. And that is what a relationship between a parent and a child is. That you're there for them and yet you're not there. If you fall in that category, let me tell you, this video is not for you. This conversation, this video is for people who really want an extraordinary relationship. So coming back to the same question about trust, a parent-child relationship is the only relationship which starts with 100% trust. You know, you as a child and your child for you had 100% trust on you when they were born. Their survival depended on you. Your survival was 100% dependent on your parents. When they used to pick you up in their arms or you were picking up your child in your arms, you know, the child is trusting you with their life. What you feed them, how you take care of them in the first 2-3 years, it's their survival depends on that. So what I'm going to ask you to answer a few questions, just look at it. At the start of it, any parent would say, yes, I trust my child. And we keep saying that to our children. You know what? I trust you. But let's examine it closely and examine it authentically. I'll take a few examples. At the end of this video, I will actually share a Google form which will have a few questions. My request would be fill that up. You will exactly know what is that level of trust. And as a bonus, there will be another Google form which you can get filled by your own child. And actually you can do a comparison between the kind of trust you feel you have and the kind of trust they feel you have on them. And that will open up a whole new world for you to build on. Because trust me, the trust between you and them can be rebuilt from any stage at any point of time. And that can create a beautiful, loving, caring, harmonious, peaceful relationship which can produce results for both of you. So let me give you a few questions right now. Think about it. Do you trust that your child would be able to get up in the morning on time, get ready and go to school? Or do you have to keep following up all the time? कि वो उठ गया है, क्या उसने बैग तैयार कर लिया है, क्या वो बस में चला गया है? Has he studied for his examination? Has he done his homework? Have these kind of questions crept in? And then the need to see it with your own eyes. क्या तूने किया? As a young child, did we have that need to go and check whether that toothbrush was wet? कि क्या उसने सच्ची में ब्रश किया? क्या वॉशरूम जाने के बाद वो साबुन गीला था और उसने एक्चुअली साबुन से हाथ धोए? And as a teenager, when they ask for going out somewhere, for a party, for a night out, or maybe a trip, what kind of thoughts come into your mind? I know you want your child to be safe. That's the intention, for sure. But notice those thoughts. Is there a doubt in your mind And it's perfectly fine to have that doubt. Don't blame yourself. Don't say it's right or wrong. I'm on your side. What I want you to do is right now reflect. And as I said before, this video is not made for every parent. Are you that extraordinary parent? Are you that extraordinary father or mother who wants an extraordinary child in an extraordinary relationship? And that's what this video is for. Going into those things and actually looking at the level of trust. And once you know what level it is, and you know what level is your child believes that you trust them, is the start point to start building it up again. So friends, my request is, if this has started off a reflection, don't miss out to take these 2 questionnaires, one for yourself, one for your spouse, and the other one for your children. And we will get back to you on the results. And if you need any kind of a support at whatever level there is, it could be 0%, it could be 99%, doesn't matter. If you want the up level and you want any kind of a support, Parvarish is right there behind you to make it happen for you. So all the best and looking forward to your responses.